see it in the photographs, the ones from years before. My children look so little then, now they're reaching for the door. Slow down, time, won't you slow down? I'm not ready to let go. Slow down, time, let me breathe now. Let me watch them as they grow. Every laugh, every sleepy night, every bedtime story read. Slow down, time, I'm begging you. These are the moments that I need. They don't ask me to carry them the way they used to do. They tie their own shoes now, and that's beautiful and true. But somewhere in the middle of it all, I turned around one day, and all those tiny hands I held were reaching out a way. Slow down, time, won't you slow